Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Sewell, and I'm going to be going over how to complete this fish graphing assignment. Now, this one is all about looking in the fishbowl and counting up how many fish. So I'm going to go and count the green ones first. So there's 1, 2. So I'm going to click here and write 2. Then the next one is blue. So then I'm going to go 1. Oh, it looks like that's it. So then there's 1 blue. Now the red fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to type the number 4. Next, I'm going to look at purple. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to click the number 3. Now it says drag the fish into the box to answer. So this question is, which color fish has the most? So that means which one has the biggest number. And I can look in the fishbowl, but I really could just look over here at my new table graph. And the biggest one is 4, which is the red fish. So I'm going to take this fish and I'm going to drag it over. The next question said, which color fish has the least? So the smallest number, and that would be the 1, which is the blue fish. So now I'm going to click and drag the blue fish. And now that slide is done. Now I'm going to use this data to complete this graph. You can click between the 2 pages very easily. Now here, a graph shows us how many. Now, the first one is the green fish. So I'm going to go back and I see that there are 2 green fish. So now I'm going to click on the green bar. I'm going to take this tiny arrow up and take it all the way to the top of the 2. Because now there's 2 spots covered. Now I'm going to go back, and the blue one is next. There was only 1. So this one I don't have to move as far, and I'm only going to drag it to here, and that is 1. The next fish is red, and that one had 4. So now I'm going to click onto the red, do the tiny 2 arrows, drag it all the way up to the 4. Because if we go across, I can see right here that it's the 4. Now the last one is the purple, and I see that it is 3. So I go over here, I click on the purple, and I drag it all the way up to 3. Now you would be all done, and you would just have to go back to the original assignment and click turn in. And that's how we would do our fish graphing. Hopefully this helps you and understand how to do your assignment. The fishies will look the same, but there will be a different amount of fish. So your graph and table is going to look different than mine.